Harvard Health Publishing, which is the consumer side of Harvard Medical School, has identified 6 critical ways that playing outside helps children. So the first one that they've published is that sunshine, being outside and being active out in nature, they will be exposed to sunshine. Number 2 on their study is exercise. So children, it has been stated, need to be active, should be active for at least 1 hour a day, a full hour. And getting outside is a great way to make sure that that hour a day happens. Executive function. These are the skills that help us prioritize, troubleshoot, negotiate, and multitask. And creativity falls in here too. And these are skills that kids just naturally lean into when they're outdoors, playing with each other. Being outside gives them the opportunities to practice these executive function skills. And then number 4 point from Harvard was kids really need to take risks. And I know these days there are so many things that us as parents want to protect them from. However, children do need to take some risks. I remember we used to do crazy things outside. We used to take risks, and we used to, make decisions with ourselves and make up our own stories, and part of that I think is lost now. Number 5, crucial way that play helps kids is socialization. So kids need to learn how to work together. They need to learn how to make friends. They need to learn how to share and cooperate with each other, and in general just need to learn how you're meant to treat other people. So socialization is a key aspect of being outside and interacting with others. The last point that Harvard published was that kids need to get outside to develop an appreciation of nature. So much of our world is changing, not always for the better. And if a child grows up never having walked in the woods, or never having dug in the soil, or never having seen animals in their natural habitat, those children are never going to understand what it is that we can lose. So good luck. Summer's halfway done. You will make it, and hopefully your kids spend a little more time outside, make it easier for you. Have you ever noticed that when one of your 5 senses is taken away, the others seem to get amplified? This is certainly the case when it's dark outside and you can't see very well. You end up doing a lot of listening instead. It's easy to be startled by sounds of the night, but they don't have to feel scary. You can hear a lot of cool things. Crickets and other insects, nocturnal animals waking up, and birds settling into the trees for the night. Listen to all of the various sounds and see if you can figure out what sound each sound is. Once you've listened to the sounds at night, try this same exercise during the day, which is what we're doing. Close your eyes. Don't let all the daytime sights distract you, and concentrate just on the different sounds around you. What do you hear? I hear the water. You hear the water? I hear trees and the wind. I think last night in the dark, when we were listening, there were so many more sounds.
Because it was thundering.
Because it was thundering. Yeah, we heard thunder. You're right. Beans, you haven't heard anything.
I thought I heard the neighbor's dog, but well, I did. I heard a wasp.
A what?
A wasp.
A wasp?
How could you hear a wasp?
She could. Makes flying buzzing sound.
That could be a bee.
Could be. Bee or a wasp.
I just hear the waves wishing against the rocks.
Here, let's see. There's questions. The loudest sound we heard.
Water.
The water.
How can you hear the water? Water splashing against the rocks.
Can you not hear the waves out there?
The water or the trees going against each other.
After listening, try to imitate the sounds you recorded. Imitate them. That's funny. Who in your family is the best at mimicking the sounds of the night?
Me.
You? What's the sound that you can mimic?
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Ooh, what's that sound?
I'm trying to make an owl.
An owl sound.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
How about you?
Sounds.
The only sound I can make is a cat.
You can make a cat sound? Okay, who else has a sound? Reese, what other sounds can you do for a nature sound? What about a chicken sound?
What
Bok,
noise does
bok.
a chicken make?
Mop, mop,
Oh.
mop, 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 mop.
Let's hear your horse.
Not a chicken. Yeah, I can't do that. Oh my god.
That's my horse. These are not nature sounds where we currently are.
I mean, how are you supposed to make the water sound?
All right, everybody. We've gone off the rails, but I like your sounds. Okay, shall we go swimming?
Sure, yeah.
One of the best things about swimming is it is usually free or very inexpensive, yet it provides hours of healthy entertainment. Some of the best places to swim near you or when you're traveling are probably not crystal clear swimming pools. Instead, they're natural pools found right outdoors. Many rivers and lakes are open to the public, and some have beaches, a great way to enjoy the natural environment. Before you go, pack a swimsuit, a life jacket, towels, sunblock, and even water shoes. The ground can be rocky. You might also take along some water toys, like a beach ball to toss around. Hurry up, Mom!
So for all those parents out there hitting the middle of summer and struggling for ways to keep everyone engaged, I think this little book can become your best friend.